Hello and good day everyone. My name is Lim Ming Chen and my metric number is 280142. Today I would like to present the parts of the business plan, which are executive summary and business summary. Firstly, a business plan is a written document that's describing a company's core business activities, objectives, and how it plans to achieve its goals smoothly and rapidly. A good business plan helps a company to ensure that they have adequate preparation and control over their operations to improve their efficiency. Next, the business plan is generally used to compare the actual performance with the expected performance in financial section, such as expected sales and actual sales, actual profit and expected profit, and others. Secondly, our business value are honesty and commitment to our customers. Being honest is the core value of our business. It involves being able to communicate clearly with our customers and potential clients. To maintain a good relationship with our suppliers, we make sure that the transactions are conducted in a manner that's transparent and without any agendas. Besides, we will make every effort to meet the expectations of our customers. This is because customer satisfaction is a measure of a company's market value. It shows how committed they are to satisfying their customers. Thirdly, our business purpose is to sell various types of masks. Our products are not only affordable face masks to the customers with high standard and high quality products, but also eco-friendly since they are disposable. The figure shows Total Mass Enterprises organizational chart and its management team. Our management team consists of 5 members of the partnership who will be responsible to run the business, which are General Manager, Finance Manager, Marketing Manager, Operational Manager, and Research and Development Manager. Then, our products will be shipped out by the postal delivery service companies. The main duty of General Manager is to direct and organize the activities of companies or departments involved in product development, pricing, sales, and distribution. Next, the Financial Manager will be responsible to maintain financial analysis and make financial recommendations to assign businesses. After that, the Marketing Manager will inform ideas to implement, evaluate, create, and execute marketing strategies and put them into actions. Lastly, the Operational Manager will collaborate with the Research and Development Manager to achieve objectives of the project. Our vision is to provide good products and services to our customers to maximize their satisfaction towards our products and services. Our mission is to protect community safety and health, especially during this pandemic. We hope that we can help to slow down the spread of COVID-19 by using our high-quality products. Thank you for your listening, and I will pass to my teammates to continue.
Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. My name is Siti Wan Rumai Sharina binti Abdul Rashid. My matrix number is 280305 and I am from Group H2. I would like to present about market analysis summary. Market analysis is a quantitative and qualitative assessment of a market. It looks into the size of the market both in volume and in value, the various customer segments and buying patterns, the competition and the economic environment in terms of barriers to entry and regulation. Even though Dr. Mas Enterprise is a new business, but the barriers to entry is quite easy because nowadays our product is known as people requirement. Moving forward to a SWOT analysis, it is a framework for identifying and analyzing an organization's strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats, as it is the 4 components of SWOT. For strengths, we have 2, which is uniqueness and save cost and time. We provide a good mask with the affordable price. We have innovated the mask by dividing it to many types of masks such as closed mask, hijab mask, 3-ply mask, and also 4-ply mask. Our customer can save a lot of time and money by using our services because we also provide delivery service for customers who prefer to purchase online. For weaknesses such as lack of capital, since Dr. Mas Enterprise is a new business but decided to produce a high quality product, so we need a little big amount of capital. As a result, we engage in some advertisement and distribution services in order to increase our capital and extend our shop. Next, opportunities, which are advertising and marketing, also high demand. Advertising and marketing, Dr. Mas Enterprise will promote the advertisement through any WhatsApp group and Instagram so that it will be spread faster among the people. We will save our money on advertising and marketing since these tools are for free and easy to use. For demand for a high quality face mask will continue rising up because it is a simple barrier to prevent bacteria from keep spreading. Therefore, face masks should be used every day to keep people healthy. Lastly is threats, which is high competition. Dr. Mas Enterprise have to compete with many businesses that selling face masks as their main or additional product. In order to attract more customers to purchase our product, so we must develop innovative strategies such as produce a various types of masks that people can choose according to their need. Process of dividing target market like customers into approachable group based on their characteristic is known as market segmentation. There are 4 forms of market segmentation used in Dr. Mas Enterprise such as demographic, geographic, behavioral, and psychographic. For demographic segmentation, we decided to concentrate on people's age such as between 13 years old until 50 years old because those age are including the students and workers. Since mask has been our priority in this pandemic, it is necessary for them to wear it as they must going out to school and office. Secondly, Dr. Mas Enterprise will also focus on gender. Even though our mask is available for a gender type, however, we prepared hijab mask for female that wearing scarf because it will make them comfortable to wear mask with their scarf on. Next is behavioral segmentation. Nowadays, people usually love to purchase things through internet such as WhatsApp and Instagram. So Dr. Mas Enterprise decided to use online platform to sell our product and make it easier for people to buy. Thirdly is geographic segmentation. Dr. Mas Enterprise decided to sell our product in online and offline shop as it will be convenient product and easy to find. We will provide the mask into pharmacy and small stores for offline shop while selling through internet for online shop. Lastly is psychographic segmentation. Dr. Mas Enterprise already prepared some types of masks according to customers' lifestyle. For example, our types of masks are cloth mask, hijab mask, 3-ply mask, and 4-ply mask. Therefore, it is easy to wear and customer also can choose any types of mask that's suitable with their outfit of the day. Next is market needs. Market needs is a marketing concept that refers to a target market's functional or emotional needs or desires. According to market analysis, Dr. Mas Enterprise discovered that the market needs are high quality product, customer service, and transparency. Firstly, high quality product. Customers are more concerned about high quality product. A good material is important to make sure the product is safe to wear and can be used for a long time. Therefore, in Dr. Mas Enterprise, we provide the high quality of product with an affordable prices. Secondly is customer service. Customers may require expert advice to make the best purchasing decision. In Dr. Mas Enterprise, our workers are willing to assist customers if they have any inquiries about our product or seek for opinion about which one they should buy. Lastly is transparency. Customers have the right to know exactly what they are paying for with no surprises. Therefore, we provide accurate and up-to-date information about our products such as their material and price.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and hi everyone. My name is Fatina Atika Muti Nasrun and my metric number is 280158. I'm from group H2. So I will explain about strategy and implementation summary. For market strategy, basically there are 5 elements. First, product. Second, price. Third, place. 4, promotion, and lastly, people. For product, Dr. Mas Enterprise will sell more types of face masks to attract our customer and also increase our sales. They are cloth mask, hijab mask, 3-ply mask, and also 4-ply mask. Next, for price, we put a price that can cover the cost of producing, distributing and selling the product. We also can increase the unit produced and unit sold from time to time to get the profit. For place, we do online business and like WhatsApp, Shopee and also IG shop, and also sell the offline business at pharmacy and small stores. For promotion, to increase our sales to advertising and publicity strategy. We can explain all the details about face mask and expand our business and keep everyone knows about our product. Lastly, people also important component in order to build a business and planning the market strategy. The quality of face mask is important to influence the other people to buy and get benefits from this face mask. Next, sales forecast and strategy. Sales forecasting is the process of estimating future sales. Accurate sales forecast enable the business to make the business decision and predict short-term and long-term performance. It also helps a business to manage their cash flows, resources, and sales growth in order to expand the business in the future. The sales forecast is just the initial estimate and it is often adjusted by the budget committee. Next, I will explain about sales forecast and strategy. First, sales budget. Sales budget helps us to plan about future growth, to gain profits, and also consider the other factors such as competition, advertising, and pricing to determine the budgeted sales. Overall, we expected to sell about 640 units of face mask, with the cloth mask at RM80.70, hijab mask RM70.50, 3-ply mask at RM8, 4-ply mask at RM10.50, and the total budgeted sales is RM7,482. Second, merchandise purchases budget. Merchandise purchases budget is the amount of inventory that a company estimates and expected to be purchased during each period. It depends on the expected use of inventory of the business. So the total inventory purchases for the year is RM4,044.40. Third, selling and administrative budget. The selling and administrative expense budget outline plan and expenditure for non-manufacturing activities. Dr. Mas Enterprise categorized Shopee fee as variable expense and insurance, advertising and also utilities expense as fixed expense. The total selling and administrative expense is RM1,669.20. Lastly, income statement budget. So, income statement budget will also under sales forecast. Budgeted income statement for Dr. Mas Enterprise lists the estimated sales revenue, selling and administrative expense and income for a given period. It shows how profitable the business is over a given time period. Dr. Mas Enterprise expected to get operating income of RM1,800.80.
My name is Nur Masara Asma and my metric number is 280249. So today I'm going to present on BEP analysis. Our company used the contribution margin method and CVP graph to get the BEP units and BEP sales. So contribution margin used to calculate for the sales mix because our company have the multiple product, which is 4 product. So we have to use the contribution margin method. So after use the contribution margin method, we will get the sales mix of each product. So after get the sales mix of each product, we can calculate for the contribution margin per unit. Then we can calculate for the BEP sales for each product. So 57 cloth mask, 64 hijab mask, 161 3-ply mask, and 148 4-ply mask needed to achieve the BEP sales in unit. From the CVP graph, we can see that sales needed to achieve the BEP is 4,347 ringgit and 99 cent, and 429 units needed to achieve the BEP in unit. Next, we move to the what if analysis. Okay, first what if analysis is increase in the sales volume but decrease in the fixed cost will result in the net gain. And then the second what if analysis is increase in the sales volume and also increase in the variable cost, so it will result in the net gain. And the third what if analysis is an increase in the fixed cost and also an increase in the sales price and also variable cost will result in the net gain. Then we move to the target profit analysis. So how many units to be sold if the company want to achieve the profit of 1,000? So we have to add the fixed cost with the total profit that we admire to gain, and then we divide with the contribution margin per unit. Then we will get the sales unit that to be sold to in order to get the profit of 1,000, which is 822 units sold. Next, we move to the multi-product break-even analysis. So as we discussed before, our BEP units is 429 units. So what if we sold more than the BEP point? Okay, so if we sold more than the BEP point, we will get more result in the net operating income. And what if we sell lesser than the BEP point? So if we sell lesser than the BEP point, it will result in the net loss in the operating income. So from the multi break-even analysis, we can see that we will gain 147 ringgit 30 cent if we sold more than the BEP point. And then from the calculation of the second multi-product BEP analysis, we can see that 905 ringgit and 20 cent result in the net loss if we sold lesser than the BEP unit. Why the company? How company can achieve the net operating income for each quarter? It is because our company managed to produce and sold the product above the BEP units.
Next, I'm going to explain on the cash collection budget. So, our cash collection budget also use the quarterly basis. From the cash collection budget above, we can see that the total cash received from each quarter show the positive ending balance. So, how to get the total cash receipt for each quarter? So, first thing first, we have to know the sales revenue for each quarter. Sales revenue we can get from the budgeted sale, and then how much the cash collection from each sale for each quarter. So our business have set the policy of 95% from the budgeted sale is the cash sale, and other 5% from the budgeted sale is credit sale, and then 80% from the credit sale will be collected in the month of sale, and then other 20% from the credit sale will be collected in the following sales. Okay. So from each quarter, we can see that each ending balance show the positive cash receipt, means that we can collect our account receivable higher for each month.
Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. My name is Nur Aimiti Zaharin, metric number 280155. I'm from Group H2. I'm going to present for financial plan for section projected cash flow, budgeted balance sheet and business ratio analysis. For the first part, I'm going to continue the next part of my partner presentation for this projected cash flow, which is I will continue with the cash payment budget. Our cash payment budget is basically reported our budgeted inventory purchase, cash payment for every purchase, and cash disbursement, which is include the payment on selling and administrative expenses and payment for equipment purchase. From the projected cash flow, we can see that the reported cash payment is 5,948 ringgit and 97 cent. Next, let us look on the third part in projected cash flow, which is the cash budget section. From this cash budget section, for the cash available before financing our borrowing, we expect to have about 4,255 ringgit and 40 cent. Therefore, our ending cash balance for this accounting period, we expect it to have 1,513 ringgit and 69 cent, which is the amount from the fourth quarter reported. Our company, Dr. Mas Enterprise Business Policy, required us to maintain a cash balance of 1,000 ringgit at the end of every quarter. For the second part, which is Dr. Mas Enterprise budgeted balance sheet as at 31st November 2022. As we all know, balance sheet is a summary of financial balance of individual or organization for all business type. Dr. Mas Enterprise budgeted to have total asset and total liability and owner security of 2,105 ringgit and 48 cent, respectively. The total asset is a combination of current asset at the amount of 1,565 ringgit and 43 cent and a non-current asset of 540 ringgit and 5 cent. Dr. Mas Enterprise non-current asset consists of equipment, and for current asset it comprises of cash, account receivable and ending inventory. Next, for the section of liability and owner security, Dr. Mas Enterprise liability only comprise of current liability, which is the item of account payable at the amount of 304 ringgit and 68 cent. For the owner security, it's reported the budgeted retained earnings for this accounting period, which is 1,880 cent. Okay, now let us continue with the last part, which is the business ratio analysis. The business ratio analysis is a form of 4 items, which is the liquidity ratio, activity ratio, leverage ratio, and profitability ratio. Liquidity ratio measures a company's ability to pay debt obligation and its margin of safety. From the table of current ratio in liquidity ratio, we can see that Dr. Mas Enterprise has 5 ringgit and 14 cent in current asset for every 1 ringgit in current liabilities. Next, from the table of current ratio in liquidity ratio, Dr. Mas Enterprise can meet its current obligation without selling any inventory by 5.03 times. This ratio shows that the higher the ratio result, the better the liquidity and the financial health for Dr. Mas Enterprise. Besides that, for activity ratio, it is used to determine the efficiency to use different operating assets stated in balance sheet to convert into sales. From the table calculated for inventory turnover in activity ratio, Dr. Mas Enterprise able to sell its inventory 1 to 2.13 times. The higher the inventory turnover ratio, the more efficient for the business in handling their inventory. In addition, leverage ratio is any one of several financial measurements that assess the ability of a company to meet its financial obligation. From the table calculated for debt ratio in leverage ratio, we can conclude that this ratio shows for every 1 ringgit of total asset, there is 14 cent in debt. The higher the debt ratio, the more leverage a company is, where they actually implying a greater financial risk, while a lower leverage ratio implying that the company will be able to repay its loan. Dr. Mas Enterprise should have no problem in getting its loan approved because their leverage ratio is in the optimum leverage ratio, which is between 0.5 and below. Lastly, profitability ratio is a ratio that shows the company's ability to earn profit from its sales or operation. From the table calculated for profit margin in profitability ratio, we can estimate that for each RM1 ringgit from sales, Dr. Mas Enterprise is able to generate 24 cent of net income. This ratio proves that the higher the ratio of profit margin, it will indicate that the possibility for Dr. Mas Enterprise to make a reasonable profit for every sales is higher. In conclusion, we can conclude that based on this business ratio analysis, we can finalize that Dr. Mas Enterprise will be a stable business in the future and having a stable financial reporting. That's all from me. Thank you.